Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me. Alright, so the last lesson we ended off here. Sorry I took a Christmas break because it got a little busy. I had to be making a lot of hats for the winter for my friends overseas, and of course my friends who have long locks here in Jamaica. So this is where we are and I'm going to continue. Great, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off right here. As you can see, this is where the square will start. So let's go ahead and do that. We do 3 chains. This will represent the first stitch. We go under, pull through. That's 2. Go under the lead, go under there, pull it under, 3 on your needle, pull through 2, and again pull through 2. We are going to do 5 chains right here, 3, 4, and 5. Oops. All right, go under the lead, go under that open area, pull the lead under, and you're going to pull through 2, go back to the lead and pull through 2. Go ahead again under the lead, 2 and 2. Go back to the lead again. Oops, grab the lead, pull through 2, and again 2. All right, so that's the start of your square. We are going to do 3 chains right here, 1, 2, and 3. We go under this loop, do a single stitch. All right, so now we're going to do 7 chains right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We go under this loop, grab the lead, pull it under, single stitch to close. 7 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We go under, grab the lead, pull through. All right, shaping up to be a square, right? 7 more. Go under, grab the lead, pull through, and do a single stitch. We go back and we're here again, so we're going to do 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And here we go in between these 2 leaves, grab the lead, 1, 2, go back, we're doing double stitches, 2, 1 and 2, and then we do 5 chains right here. We are carving out our square. Go back under, grab the lead, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again go under, grab the lead, and there you have it. So see how that's kind of getting into the square of things. All right, so what you can do, as we say, we'll need 3 right here, 1, 2, and 3. We go under, grab, pull through. For the next 3, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, we'll do 7 chains. I'll go ahead and do 7 chains. Seven again. Another 7. This is what we're aiming for, to do another side corner right there. So we do 3, grab a loop on our needle, go into this area there, 1 double stitch, 2 double stitch, 3, oops, 3, then we make 5 chains, go back into the same area, 1, 2, and 3. All right, so what you can do now is go ahead and continue, do some rewinds if you want, just to make sure you get it right. And I'm going to complete this. When we come back, we'll just close off this row and see what it looks like, almost being a square. And we're back. So again, we're going to close off this row. See how good that's looking? Look at that. All right, so we have one more set of 7 to do. Oops. We go into this space right here, go under, grab the lead, pull through, and we do a single stitch right there. And then of course we need 3 more chains. We're going to go into this first chain right there. We go into the 3rd chain right there, grab the lead, pull it through, and again pull through to complete a slip stitch. And let's look at this. Let me push that out of the way for a little bit. All right, so this is where we're at. This is what it looks like. It still looks like a little bit of a circle, but it's growing into a square. Anyway, you go ahead and you practice, and when we come back, we're going to do the last row where it will be completely a square. So go ahead and practice, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Talk to you in the next one. Walk good.